everyone, I'm here with Isabella and I'm going to show you how to use your shampoo and conditioner, because a lot of the time, just like with the dry shampoo when I showed you guys, you're like, oh my God, I didn't even know that I was using it the wrong way. And sometimes we can be using our shampoos and conditioners the wrong way. So I'm gonna go in with 7 seconds shampoo and 7 seconds conditioner. Isabella here, she has wavy hair, but it's kind of fine. She has a lot of it and it's long. So anybody who has long hair, your ends are going to be dry. So she's gonna benefit from this, from the moisture. It's gonna add shine to her hair. And the product is sulfate free, so you need a lot of water to help distribute the product throughout the hair. So this here is the amount that you need. You don't need a whole lot, and you want to emulsify it in your hands really well, like 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see all my shampoos in my hands. So then I'm gonna go in and I'm going to start at the scalp area. I'm not gonna worry about her ends. I'm gonna worry about her scalp, because your scalp is what produces oils and that's what we're going to clean. Make sure to get underneath. And when you're shampooing, if you feel like you're not getting a good lather, you don't want to add more shampoo, you actually want to add more water. So I'm just going to go in and add a little bit more water. Emulsify really well. Get underneath. And then I'm going to rinse. So you don't have to worry about pulling it all through the ends, because when you rinse, the shampoo is going to flow through the ends and clean all of that out. A lot of the time we're very wasteful with our shampoo because we feel like we need to wash the top of the hair, get more and go all the way down if I have a lot of hair, but that's not really the proper way to shampoo your hair. So next I'm going to go in with conditioner. Again, 1 pump is all I need, believe it or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The more you emulsify, the more you're going to distribute it. And then here, I'm not going to go in at her scalp. I'm going to go in mid-shaft to ends, which is like your ponytail. And so I'm going to pull that all through her ends. And again, you want the hair to be really wet, so the product will distribute through her hair. And then rinse. You don't want to put conditioner all the way up at the scalp, because your scalp doesn't need conditioner. Your scalp needs shampoo. Your scalp doesn't need moisture. Your ends do. And vice versa. Your ends aren't what's oily, your scalp is. And ta-da!